Okay, sir. 10 minutes.
So 10 minutes, should I switch off the camera or it is required to be?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat?
Do we need to keep the camera on?
No, sir. It's not mandatory, sir.
Okay. Once a student join, I'll turn on the
Okay, sir.
camera.
Okay, sir. Then you can. Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, already, sir, 20 minutes gone, sir. Nobody has joined yet.
okay.
Sir, would you like to continue or, sir, end the session?
Let me just speak up for a few minutes and then we can wind it up.
Okay, sir. You can. You can.
Yeah,
Okay,
so as this was the live session, I was expecting like a student will come and uh, ask their questions, whatever the doubt and queries they are having. Hopefully, they are not having the many queries this time because this is the course run fifth time in a row. We started this course in 2018, and then since then we are continuously running it every year. So many problems, assignments, solution are already in public domain, so they might be having the access for them. Along with that, one of the TA is holding the live session, I think, or some tutorial session every week. So if any of the students of this course are having any questions, they can ask at 3-4 platform. They can write in the uh, discussion forum, which I check almost every day. But so far, I did not get many questions. Only 1 or 2 questions were there that were answered there. Second option is they can write to the Gmail ID which I had given at each lecture end, reservoir.itg@gmail.com. They can write a query which they don't want to put in the discussion forum. I try to answer almost all the queries in the past also I did through that email ID also. Third one is they can ask the question to the TA who takes the tutorial or the session or discussion session every week. Either he will answer the question and I instructed him if he's not able to answer certain questions, he may direct those to me. I'll try to answer them. So many options are there to have the discussion with the SME of this course. That's me. As today there is no questions was in the discussion forum to be discussed here. There is no questions in the Google Doc file or Excel file that is shared with you to put up the questions. In brief, I would like to say this is the course that is very simple, not very tough, specialized for the engineers. Those are working in the petroleum reservoir, specifically designed for the natural gas perspectives. It is 8 weeks course, very well documented in all 8 weeks, where we do study from the very basic about what is natural gas, answer to what are the utilities of the natural gas, how to estimate the properties of the natural gas, why we need to estimate them, different set of the equation, those describe how the natural gas flow happens from the reservoir to the surface. Once it reaches to the surface, what are the surface facilities and operations are required to purify this gas before it is going to the end consumer. After the purification, it needs to be compressed and send it to the end user by the different means depending on the quantity and the distance it is supposed to be transported. So in discussion, we had a detailed discussion about the pipeline transportation, and at the end, I discuss in this course about the um, unconventional sources of the natural gas, so shale gas, tight gas, and the mode of producing the natural gas by the pyrolysis is also discussed in detail. So I would say again, good luck and thank you very much for joining this course. I hope this course meet your expectation. For any query, feel free to write me on my official email ID and a dedicated Gmail ID that reservoir.itg through the discussion forum, or you can ask through the TA. I hope in the next session that we'll be having in the month of September, you are coming to this live session where you can interact with your queries, with your doubts, and I hopefully will be able to answer and satisfy your queries. I think as there is no question, we can wind up for today and see you in the next online meeting. Thank you very much. Yeah, should we close this now?
Yes, sir. We can close the session.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Should I sign off?
Yes, sir. You can.